Good evening, everybody. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate you watching my videos. So today I am going to show you what I did for prompt number 17, 18, and 19 of Nancy Piter's Christmas prompts. And so number 17 was candy, or no, not candy cane. That we already did candy cane. Peppermint. And I thought of candy canes when I saw the prompt peppermint, and so I just made a big peppermint candy cane and I put it on a background of little candy canes, and then I just kind of wrote about the history of the candy cane becoming a Christian symbol, even though it's unlikely that the candy cane has Christian origins. It has been adopted by Christians as a Christian symbol. The shape of the candy cane is like a shepherd's staff, which represents Jesus as the Good Shepherd. The white color represents Jesus' purity and lack of sin, and the red color represents the blood that Jesus shed on the cross. And then number 9, I forgot to put it, oh no, there it is. Number 18 was nostalgia, and all these things bring back nostalgic memories of my childhood Christmases. We always went in we had a red station wagon to get a Christmas tree, and we had, of course, all those old-fashioned, 60s ornaments. My mother always got goodies from Swiss Colony, the cheese and sausages and the candies and petit-four cakes, and then of course the big Christmas lights and Charlie Brown and Snoopy. We always watched the Charlie Brown Christmas special. And then number 19 was holy. So I found this Christmas card in my stash. And you shall name him Jesus. He will be great and will be called Son of the Most High, and of his kingdom there will be no end. Blessed are they who see Christmas through the eyes of a child. May this be your gift at Christmas and your grace in the new year. And I actually made this a pocket, and then I put in most of the rest of the ornaments that I didn't put in my ornament prompt page. I put the ones that can fit in there. And then I just put this on this heart and says, "Oh, holy night." And so that was for holy. Thanks you so much for watching. And I'm decided that I'm only going to do this up until Christmas because I am getting a little overwhelmed, and I still have to make my journal for Junk Journal January. And I have been spending a lot of time with my grandson, and I just don't have I just feel like I don't have the time to do it all the way up to the 31st. So I've picked a couple more. So like I said, I've decided to only do up until the 25th. So I have picked out of the remaining prompts, I've picked gingerbread, children, angel, forest animal, snow globe, and a Christmas verse, which will go with my Christmas layout, whatever I do. It'll probably have a lot of photographs of my family and things like that. So that's it for this day. Please come back and you can check out the rest of my prompts in the book, and I'll definitely do a flip through when we're all done. And yeah, appreciate your support. See you again next time. Bye bye.